great new track produced by Steve Hellstrip, also known as The Thrill Seekers. Played it last week as well. Got loads of great reactions about that track, so watch out for that one. Will be released on Adjusted Recordings. Also this week I'll play some more tracks of the State of Trance 2007 compilation. So still to come up, new tracks by Rio Addicts, and also Sean Tyas presents Logistic. Thank you very much for all your emails. Peter Shin from Chicago wants to give a shout out to his new bride, Jamie. They're on honeymoon right now. And Mark from Penn State University would like to give a shout out to his old student mates. They're all a State of Trance converted, listening right now. Chris, Bridget, Nick, Diana-Lee, Tina, Jason, Camille, Lena, Ankur, and Umer. Thank you very much for listening. It's time to announce the winner of the Future Favorite. Every week you can vote for your favorite track of these 2 hours State of Trance. You can influence the playlist. Go to www.trance.nu. A lot of you did last week. Number 3 was the track we just played from the Thrill Seekers. Number 2, Tranquility Base, Oceanic. But the winner, the best track of last week's show, is The Blizzard, Kalopsia.
Your favorite tune from last week's show. This is a State of Trance, the Future Favorite.